Welcome to Insurance Funda. Today, we present a detailed breakdown of LIC's SIP plan number 750 to a powerful combination of life protection and wealth creation. Stay tuned to learn how this plan can safeguard your family while building your wealth for the future. LIC's SIP plan number 752 is a unit-linked, regular premium, non-participating life insurance and savings plan launched on 1st January 2025. This plan combines market-linked returns with life insurance protection, making it ideal for long-term financial security and wealth creation. The plan is available for a wide range of ages. Minimum entry age 30 days. Maximum entry age 65 years. Policy term 10 to 25 years. Maximum maturity age 85 years. Whether you're planning for your child's future or retirement, SIP offers flexible coverage options. LIC's SIP plan provides two core benefits. Death benefit. If the life assured passes away, the nominee will receive the higher of basic sum assured, reduced by partial withdrawals in the last 2 years. Unit fund value. 105% of total premiums paid. Maturity benefit. If the life assured survives the policy term, the unit fund value will be paid out on maturity. Refund of mortality charges. Upon maturity, all mortality charges deducted during the policy term will be refunded if all premiums are paid. A standout feature of LIC's SIP plan is the guaranteed additions provided as units added to your fund. These units further grow over time with the market, enhancing your maturity value significantly. Here's how guaranteed additions are added. End of 6th year, 5% of annual premium. End of 10th year, 10%. End of 15th year, 15%. End of 20th year, 20%. End of 25th year, 25%. Since these are added as units, their value also grows based on market performance, boosting your overall wealth. You can choose from 5 investment funds based on your risk preference. Bond fund, low risk. Secured fund, lower to medium risk. Balanced fund, medium risk. Growth fund, high risk. Discontinued policy fund for inactive policies. Switching techniques. To protect and enhance wealth, you can switch between these funds during the policy term. Protecting wealth, move to bond or secured funds during market volatility. Enhancing wealth, shift towards balanced or growth funds during a bullish market. You get 4 free switches per year under this plan. Need liquidity? The SIP plan allows partial withdrawals after 5 years of the policy term. Up to 20% of the unit fund value can be withdrawn. Partial withdrawals won't affect your life coverage unless done within 2 years before the policyholder's death. The plan comes with transparent charges for effective fund management. Premium allocation charge up to 8% in the first year, reducing to 3% thereafter, offline sales. Mortality charges, age-based charges deducted monthly. Policy administration charge, 150 rupee per month from the 6th year onward, increasing by 5% annually. Fund management charge, 1.35% per annum. Switching charge, 4 free switches annually. Partial withdrawal charge, 100 rupee per withdrawal. LIC's SIP plan offers attractive tax benefits under Section 10(10)(d) of the Income Tax Act. Tax-free maturity benefits if the premium paid is below 10% of the sum assured. Compare this with mutual funds where capital gains tax applies, making SIP a smarter tax-saving option for long-term wealth accumulation. You can also enhance your protection with the linked accidental death benefit rider. In case of accidental death, an additional accident benefit sum assured is paid alongside the death benefit. Here's why LIC's SIP plan number 752 stands out. Life protection plus investment growth. Guaranteed additions as units for compounding growth. Multiple investment funds with switching options. Tax-free returns under Section 10(10)(d). Partial withdrawals for liquidity needs. Refund of mortality charges on maturity. Don't wait. Secure your financial future today with LIC's SIP plan number 752. Contact your LIC advisor today or download our app, Smart All-in-One Calculator, for customized plan calculations and comparisons. Download link. Subscribe to Insurance Funda for more expert insights on insurance and wealth management. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Insurance Funda for more valuable insights. See you in the next video.